Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous videos, I've been telling you that even though we have broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, but there is a hidden bullish divergence on the chart. Therefore, there is a probability that we may re-enter the channel. Right now, the price line is struggling to re-enter this rising wedge pattern once again. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will completely break out this resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared and how many trades were successful and how many trades were unsuccessful as well. Now, if, for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on any idea. It will take you to the chart that I've posted for my members, and I've also shared the screenshots, by the way, how the price line entered the buying zone, completed any pattern, and reversed bullish and hit the sell targets. Or you can also click on the link here. It will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account on the trading view, then you can just click this play button and it will show you how the price line turned bullish after the completion of the pattern and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis. We have recently watched, when I shared this chart with you, I have been telling you when I shared in this chart in the month of January, that even though we have dropped so much from here, but the price line has formed a harmonic, a bullish harmonic reversal pattern, and that was a Cypher move. And on the weekly time frame, we had a hidden bullish divergence as well. We had nice support of 100 simple moving average. Therefore, I told my members that from here we can expect a reversal from $36,100 to $28,800, and our sell targets can be $46,339 and goes to $57,167. Now, after playing this chart, now you can see that the price line rallied very well up to $48,189, and now it is having some correction. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, during this rally, price line has also broken out the resistance of this down channel and formed this rising wedge pattern. And finally, we were rejected from here. From this resistance, we dropped down, we broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern. Right now, you can see that the candle has re-entered the support of this, above the support of this rising wedge pattern, and re-entered the rising wedge pattern. And a few days back, I shared a bearish pennant with you. I told you that Bitcoin has formed a bearish pennant, and this was the pennant, by the way, on the 4-hourly time frame. And for the follow-up purpose, I have shared this chart. Now, I told you that the price line is moving inside this pennant, and the price line well broke down the support of the rising wedge pattern on the bigger time frame. It also broke down the support of this bearish pennant as well, and you can see that it has reached the resistance of this rising wedge. Now, the movement inside this rising wedge, sorry, this is the bearish pennant, and this is the rising wedge on the daily time frame. The movement inside this rising wedge pattern, whether the price line will continue its move to the upside inside this rising wedge pattern, depends on the breakout of the resistance of this smaller bearish pennant. You can see that we have so many rejections here, and right now the price line is again reached the resistance of this bearish pennant. If the price line breaks out the resistance of this bearish pennant, the target of the bearish pennant can be here at this resistance of approximately $47,400. However, if we take a look at the resistance of this bigger rising wedge pattern, this time the resistance of this rising wedge will be approximately at $48,000. So next few hours are very, very important for Bitcoin. It has reached the resistance of the smaller bearish pennant, and also the resistance of this above the support of this bigger rising wedge pattern as well. And once again, if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that oscillators are still showing us a hidden bullish divergence as the stochastic is forming lower than previous low. Here, if we take a look at the price line, is forming higher low than previous low. RSI is also forming lower than previous low. So there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame, and we can also see that MACD has started turning bullish. It was very strong bearish. Now it has turning weak bearish from strong bearish. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.